Affiliate marketing parasites.
Choosing the perfect web hosting for your affiliate sites. Okay. So you have finally decided to become an affiliate marketer. You have finally settled on what products you are actually going to sell. Now, how to promote them? Very little, if any, arguments exist as to the best way of promoting your affiliate marketing products, websites. Yes, the gazillions of websites, not to say affiliate marketing sites, out there make it quite difficult to end up on your page right away, but you don't have to fret. With the power of search engines, pretty much everything is possible nowadays. If concepts such as web hosting and creating your own affiliate marketing site are relatively alien to you, as it is for quite a lot of people, then this article is for you. Affiliate marketing can be easy if you know how to utilize relevant help well. These relevant help include, and are pretty much dominated by, web hosting. Web hosting come in as many shapes and sizes as affiliate marketers and their needs, which is reasonable, seeing as one way or another, an affiliate marketer really does have a specific web hosting that will cater to his or her needs perfectly. Why would you need web hosting anyway? Affiliate marketing is a profession, and in order to be competent enough for your prospects, you need to appear as professional as possible. You need your own domains to promote your products beautifully. If you have multiple affiliate marketing products, you need as many affiliate marketing sites. In order for these affiliate marketing sites to work as they should, you need all the help you can get, especially if you know little about these technical web stuff. So how do you determine the proper web hosting? What do you really need? Web hosting, as said, comes in all shapes and sizes. They all vary in their services, domains. Some web hosting options come with a free domain, bandwidth, disk space, site templates, features, cPanel, spam checkers, search engine optimization, and website analysis tools, among others, customer and technical support, and price. It can get pretty confusing, considering just how complex the entire web hosting thing could get. Here are some good steps to follow to determine the right web hosting solution for you. 1. The first thing that you have to do is to remain sane and calm. Relax. The more you fret, the greater the chances are that you'll settle for web hosting that cannot serve your needs. 2. The next thing that you have to do is list down your needs. Get them from reliable resources, such as fellow affiliate marketers, or other affiliate marketing sites. Also, look at your own affiliate marketing venture. How many products do you have, and how much do you think you can afford to pay for your web hosting? Take some time doing your research. The more you speed things up, the easier it would be for you to miss out on details. 3. Now that you have your needs, find a web hosting solution that provides for them. A lot of web hosting now caters specially to affiliate marketing sites and needs, and you might want to check them out first. There are many web hosts out there, and you need to keep your head straight to find the one that is perfect for you. Keep your list of needs with you all the time. You will have to take a good look at them over and over again before you find that one web hosting solution perfect for your future affiliate marketing site. To stay or not to stay. You might find that listing your needs and matching those with a web hosting solution may not be enough. As a cliché might put it, there is no better teacher than experience. When looking for a web hosting solution, you might find hundreds that will cater to your needs, but since you only need one, choose the one you think best, but keep the contact information of those who came pretty close. After a few months of sticking with your initial choice, however, and you aren't as satisfied as you thought you would be, don't be afraid to move on. Anyway, transferring your web hosting from one to another isn't as difficult as others say so. Your new web host might even be willing to help you with the move. This isn't the only case wherein you might find that you need to leave your current web host. You might discover that over the years, your changes have changed, and the web hosting solution that once satisfied you no longer does. Move on. And do so with a light heart. Your affiliate marketing future might depend on that move.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.